This is a residential neighborhood in HSR layout, Bangalore. Here, in the video, you will see how they are managing their waste within the locality using a lane composter. The garbage collection auto comes daily to collect the waste from the area. It is called an auto tipper and is used to collect the kitchen waste. The bags on the side are used for reject waste like sanitary pads and diapers. The waste collector takes the wet waste bin from each house and empties it into one large green bin. There are about 40 houses on this street and they generate an average of 30 kgs of kitchen waste per day. While collecting the waste, it is ensured that residents follow good segregation practices and do not include any kind of liner in the bin. Once the green bin is filled up, it is taken to the lane composter on that street, located close to a volunteer's house who is responsible for it. This particular lane composter was sponsored by a corporate as part of a waste to resource program. The kitchen waste is emptied into the lane composter and then a rake is used to spread it evenly. Any bits of plastic, if seen, is removed immediately. A handful of composting microbial powder is sprinkled on the waste, which helps to accelerate the decomposition process. Then, it is covered with regular coco peat. The microbial powder and coco peat is kept at the volunteer's home. Periodic checks by the supervisor is critical for a smooth functioning of the lane composter. If dry leaves are available from the nearby trees, it is also collected and added to the composter. It is very important to maintain the ratio 1:1 of the kitchen waste and brown matter like coco peat and dry leaves. This entire process of adding kitchen waste, microbial powder and coco peat is repeated daily. After 2 months, the front door of the composter is opened to harvest the compost. Beautiful black gold is ready. It is moist and has a lovely earthy smell to it. The compost is used for feeding the trees and plants in the area and the neighborhood park. A lane composter is an excellent example of decentralized waste management, showcasing the theme, Our Waste, Our Responsibility.